Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a fall foliage tablecloth. Now this tablecloth would be perfect for your Thanksgiving table, and if you don't want to make this project super big, you can make a table runner or placemats. It's just a really great technique using unicorn spin. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make a fall foliage tablecloth. I like to spray both sides of the tablecloth with lacquer. It makes it easy to wipe off and it's washable. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.